Hi, welcome to the QuickIT.net. My name is Amrita and we will going to learn about how to do coding our first test case in a TestNG. So let's begin. We will going to create a new Java project. Okay. Let's say TestNG examples. Click on finish. Don't create. Okay, you will see at the left hand side the project explorer window. The project has been created. Just right click on a project and see the TestNG is successfully installed on your machine. That's why you can able to view the TestNG over here. Okay, so let's create a project over here. So what I will going to do, I will going to create a package. Okay, so package name is com.test. Okay, and inside this package I will going to create a new TestNG class. Okay, this time I will going to create TestNG class, not Java class. Okay, so it doesn't contain any main method and the annotation we discussed earlier session. Okay, you can see the same annotation we will going to use the simultaneously. So I just click on finish. Okay, so can you see here the class has been generated. You need to import the TestNG library. So how you can import? Right click on the project level, then go to the build path, click on the configure build path, click on the libraries, click on the class path, click on the add library button and just choose the TestNG, click on next, click on finish and apply and click on apply and close. So you can see the TestNG library we are integrating with this project. Okay, so just a second. So can you see this annotation @test which we have discussed earlier? That means what kind of test I would like to execute. Suppose if I am going to create one method prepare tea. Okay, so I am just simply writing over here. Okay, I would like to prepare tea. Okay, suppose if I don't write this annotation, okay, and I want to run this with my TestNG suite. So how I can run? Okay, simply I can click on the class level, go to the class level and click on run as. Okay, I can click on this run configuration. Okay, you will find out the TestNG over here. Okay, so choose the TestNG and name the configuration with my TestNG examples. Okay, right, and then I would like to run this test case. So how could I run this test case? Okay, so I can say first you need to convert with my convert to TestNG. So I will be going to convert this. Okay, so you can get the XML file over here. Okay, just click on finish. So can you see this XML file? Okay, having source tab. So here name is test, right? What is the name? What is the class name over here? Class name I need to define over here. Okay, in my XML file. So how could I define the class name? I can say class is stack. Okay, and go to the TestNG official website. Okay, so here you will get the demonstration. Okay, so just a second. If you click on the documentation, okay, this is the testng.xml. So classes has been defined in this way. So what I will do, I will pick this entire stuff, okay, this one, copy this XML file and paste it here, okay. And right now I do have the class, okay, class name is package name dot class name. So I can say com.test dot new test, okay. Test name is first test, I can say, okay. Right click on XML file and run as with TestNG suite, okay. So can you see here suite 1 is being generated, okay. How many tests run? 0, passes 0, failure 0, because we didn't write the TestNG annotation over here, which test I would like to run. So I can define the annotation @test. So here if I run one more time the same test case, let me run this test case one more time. So can you see right now it is saying how many tests run? 1, failure 0 and skip 0. I would like to prepare T. It is just printing the line. I would like to prepare T. This is my business requirement to be executed, right? So this test has been successfully passed through the XML file. Okay. So let's say if I say something, okay, public void ingredients, okay, to require to make a tea, okay. So I can say here the ingredients are ready with me. Ingredients are, okay, so I can say ingredients are sugar, tea powder and water, okay. And here I am saying the annotation would be before method, okay. And one more method I would like to create, which is called after method, okay. After method, of course, once the tea preparation done, everyone will going to test tea flavor, okay. So I will going to create one method test tea flavor, okay. And here I am writing flavor of tea is awesome, okay. And import the after method annotation from TestNG library file, okay. So if you run the same XML, okay, run as TestNG suite, then you can see, okay, the first method, okay, I have created a 3 method: prepare tea, ingredient and test the flavor, okay. It doesn't require to maintain sequence, right? So but we know, okay, to make a tea we do require the ingredient first, okay, then we will like to prepare the tea and then I can test my tea flavor, okay. So these are the sequence we will going to follow, okay. So here if you see the result output, okay, the result output is first is ingredient are sugar, tea powder and water, which is of this one, okay. So I'm not writing the method in a sequentially, okay, but this one is the first, okay, but this one is my first method, right? This one is my second method and this one is my third method. But while integrating, while executing the my main functionality, because of I wrote over here before method, okay. So which one is the test case? This one is my test case, prepare tea, okay. So prepare tea, okay. So before this method to be executed, okay, I would like to execute this method ingredient. So that's what I am writing a before method functionality, right? And after method, what I would like to do, I would like to test a flavor of tea, okay. So you can see over here the methods in the test.ng file need not be a static in their behavior, okay. Before method denotes that underlying method should run before the test method, and after method indicate the underlying method should run after the test method. So in the next example we will going to see how the Selenium WebDriver will going to be work, okay. We will going to create a new Maven based project and integrate the test.ng along with it. So keep testing along with me. Happy coding. Have a great day. Thank you.